our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So today we're going to be showing you how to make DIY aromatherapy slime.
I'm so excited. This
So
will
excited.
be so much fun.
Okay, so Dana, how do we start?
Okay, so first you'll need a full bottle of Elmer's school glue, and they sell these in clear or colors. We got a little glitter one, make it fun. A bowl and a spoon to mix it in. Essential oil of your choice, and then a 1/4 cup of liquid starch, which you can find at Walmart or whatever store is near you.
Cool.
So what we start with is the Elmer's glue, and we just dump it into the bowl.
Okay.
It's kind of fun. You can, if you get a clear glue, you can add food coloring or glitter and make it fun and customized.
Yes, and I love the color of this glitter. It's so pretty.
It's like kind of a galaxy color.
I was just about to say, it reminds me kind of like a galaxy.
Yeah.
Glue is so hard to get out of the container.
Yes. Okay, so while she's doing that, I'm going to pour the liquid starch. So you'll need a 1/4 cup.
It's so pretty already. I can't wait to play with it. Okay.
This is definitely a fun project that you can do with your kids. Family fun.
Definitely.
It's super easy. And it's not very messy either, really.
No, as long as you keep it in the bowl.
Yeah.
Get a big enough bowl, actually. It should be fine. Okay, so I'm going to put this here.
Okay.
I have a little bit of glitter that I can maybe try to add in a little bit later.
Okay, so as you're stirring, I'm going to pour in the liquid starch.
Okay.
I'm just going to add a little bit at a time.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's forming already. Oh, it's so pretty.
That looks so cool.
I know.
So you want to keep mixing until the liquid starch is very well mixed in the slime.
Okay, so how do we feel about this one?
Okay. It's looking good. I think we need to stir it a little bit more.
We start a little bit.
It's definitely looking
harder.
slimy. And you can also add the essential oil while you're mixing as well. So you want to use about 5 to 10 drops. And today we're using Peace.
Could use a little peace in life right now. It smells so good.
That smells really good.
Wow, it's already together. Can you guys see it? Ooh.
That looks so neat.
Oh, and it smells so good. Wow, it smells really good actually.
Okay, so it's still sticking to the bowl, so we want to just add a little bit more.
Okay. Yeah, we don't want it to stick to the bowl.
Yeah.
And that already made it a lot less sticky. I'm like clanking it around. I'm not the best cook. As you can see, I can barely stir.
You're doing perfect. You don't want to add too much liquid starch, otherwise the slime won't go back together. It'll just be kind of more ropey. So you want it to be more slimy. Ooh, I think it's ready.
I think it's ready.
That is so cool. Should we add a little
Just
bit more?
a little bit more.
Right.
It's a little sticky.
Okay, a little bit more.
Yeah, just a tiny bit more.
All right.
Yeah, I think we nailed it, Dana.
All right.
Teamwork.
I know, it's looking great.
It smells
So
amazing.
Fabulous. I know, Peace is a really yummy essential oil. It's like patchouli and cassia and tangerine. It's really like calming but yummy smelling.
What I like about the aromatherapy slime, because yes, it's fun for kids and it's fun to make with like any child
All
in your
ages.
life. Yeah, all ages, right? But since you add aromatherapy essential oils to it, it's kind of like a stress reliever, just kind of playing with it. Kind of like a stress ball, but
with aromatherapy too. It's like that added effect. You can use calm or sleep tight.
Ooh.
If you need to like calm down.
Sleep tight would be good before bed.
Yes.
Just kind of like play with it.
Okay, it definitely looks ready.
Okay.
I don't know if you guys can.
Side.
That is
You did
so
it!
cool.
And it's so pretty.
I love it. Get in there, Jasmine.
Oh.
All right. So
I
that's
love
been our
it.
really fun tutorial today. We hope you guys enjoy.
Yes. And let us know if you guys have made slime before, or if you try to make aromatherapy slime. It's actually, our hands smell really good right now.
Smells amazing.
It smells amazing. So let us know in the comments down below if you are going to try this, or if you have tried this, and how it worked out for you.
Yes.
And we do want to wish you a Happy New Year, right?
Yep. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And as always, we appreciate you guys for watching. We will see you next Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
See you guys.